See the world spinning faster, cynic sails in the end time, closer and more reach disaster. Human hearts are filled with crime, no control over desire. They rule by day and by night. Who will deliver before this cup of sin reaches its height? Stop, I pray thee, listen, hear what the angels say. Repent, 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 repent. By the bone that's tried in the fire, pray while raiment clothe thee. Anoint thine eyes with thy sound, so that Laodiceans can see.